Why are you getting annoyed?
And no bullshit. Oops.
Why are you so afraid of swearing? Fucking titty fuck. Why can't you take a joke? Are you good at pulling out? Why am I so much brighter than everybody else? It's my Nokia. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is a very different vibe for us. We are in the car. It is... Do you know where you're going?
Yep.
Okay. I really enjoyed watching the ordering with the people in front of me order at the drive-thru videos. So I've decided today that's what we're gonna do. Actually, I decided last week and then that's what we were gonna do. And I filmed it on my vlog camera from 2011 and boy oh boy, sound and everything was terrible. So we're redoing it this time. Aislinn is here. We missed McDonald's breakfast. Now we're going to do Krispy Kreme. And you might be wondering, Megan, what are you gonna eat? You can't eat any of this stuff because if you know that I have food allergies, you know I have food allergies. That's why they're here. I just love these videos. The other one that I'm really into right now is like college acceptances. This is the only one I can make other people do for me.
You could apply to like, you know, some of those for-pay universities.
Okay, so let's go to Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hey, I have kind of a random request. Can I actually just get the exact same thing the person in front of me just ordered?
Okay. The
Perfect.
exact same thing.
Exactly the same. You got it.
Alright, anything else for you?
Nope, that's it.
Go right ahead and pull for it.
Alright, I appreciate it.
No problem.
Alright, so the person's gone, so we have no idea. We can't like make any guesses based on the car or anything like that.
Or any
so
bags
we'll
that
see.
I get. If there's
It might just be a
large or small.
coffee.
It's gonna be $4.95.
Cool, thank you.
No problem. You don't look yet, don't you look yet, you don't look yet.
There's a baby. Aislinn, you can get the beverage. I'm hopped up on PCP already. I'm kidding. Kidding. Thank you, I appreciate it. You too. There you go, Aislinn. I didn't realize that Krispy Kreme and Coffee Bean were like an alliance. It's like House Tyrell and House Montague.
It's just a plain iced coffee with milk and sugar in it.
Oh my god.
What is it?
The first thing we got is your classic cake, chocolate. I mean, that's pretty good.
What's the other thing?
I don't know what this is.
What is that?
Oh my god, it's like key lime. It's a key lime jelly. Do you want to try this one?
Absolutely not.
Kind of a weird aftertaste.
You like it?
It's a classic donut.
It looks like two jalapenos are like snuggling a lime. I was gonna say something else, but
Eiffel Towering.
maybe there is no filling. Maybe it's all topical.
How absolutely bizarre.
Your turn. It's really not that bad. Trust me.
Oh no, there is filling.
Oh my god, you didn't get it.
Okay.
She hates it.
Is it bad?
Tart.
Oh, so it is like key lime.
Hungry, but I don't want to eat this.
It's okay, let's go to Dunkin'.
We could try though. Try Duo.
Yeah, why not? We're just gonna go wild.
Try Dunkin'.
We'll see you at Dunkin'.
Second
Oh, yeah.
breakfast.
I've had some coffee and feeling like a whole new woman. I'm ready to try whatever.
Are you sure about that?
No.
Dunkin' time! It's time for Dunkin'.
Good morning. Would you like to provide your signature latte?
Maybe. But first, I have kind of a random request. Can I get exactly what the person in front of us ordered?
Oh, I got you, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. And then I will take a signature latte as well, please. Iced.
Okay, what size?
Just medium.
Which one did you want? There's cocoa mocha, caramel craze, and blueberry crisp.
The first one. I think that'll be it.
Okay, Italy, go ahead and pull forward.
Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
Hey, what's going on?
There you go.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I see whipped cream.
Weird. Wait, what are we getting? Is it all liquid?
Hey, this is just straight, like, hardcore coffee. Dunkin'
so
has
that's not
such
your
good
drink.
coffee.
Oh, so your drink is coming. That's yours?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Hold on, babe, that's what you ordered.
Good. What?
Cold brew, yeah, that's it. That's it.
Oh, I'm so disappointed.
Alright, now we have to go get Aislinn.
They just got a large iced coffee with almond milk.
Oh shit, I'm in.
And Mott's took...
Well, I didn't realize, like, you hear latte, you don't think, like,
You didn't
whipped
hear them say
cream shit.
signature?
I saw the picture.
Oh my god.
I mean, this is huge, but it's actually pretty good.
Oh my god.
Do you want the iced coffee from...
No, it's all
This
good.
one?
I made my bed. I have to live in it.
You have to drink it.
Oh man. There's so much sugar in that.
We've done 2 breakfast drive-thrus and no one got food. Should we just go to a drive-thru to get food?
Yeah, but let's go and like just order it straight up.
I'm gonna stop recording because we're just gonna go to Starbucks and actually order. Oh, I definitely have shit in my teeth. Oh yeah. It is lunchtime. We are going to
Wiener Schnitzel!
So what do they serve there? Hot dogs?
Everything, burgers, hot dogs, corn dogs, chili fries. Really hope we don't get any of those last things.
Question, has anyone been there?
No.
I've never been there.
Oh my god, this is exciting!
So we will see you guys at Wiener Schnitzel. The Schnitz, the Wien. What do you think people call it as a nickname? Hey, you wanna meet the Wiens? The Wien Schnitz? The Wien
Nothing like getting shits at the Schnitz.
Are you gonna put your turn signal on?
Bold.
Do you know what a turn signal
Bold
is?
move.
You fucker? Oh my
Oh,
god,
they have
this-
flavored lemonades too.
I saw that.
Hopefully. I've been hankering for a flavored lemonade. Hey, I have kind of a random request. Can I get exactly what the person in front of me ordered?
Okay.
And that's it.
Bobby 633.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I don't think we got a full
6:33.
order
I don't
here.
think we did.
Do you have your wallet, or I can also get this one. My treat. Okay, there's a big drink. Hey, how are you? Pretty good, I guess. Thank you. All right. Thank you. All right, so we got root beer? I don't know. It
Can't
tastes kind of
identify.
weird.
Smells like Coke.
Regular
Or
Coke.
Pepsi.
Oh, is Wiener Schnitzel Pepsi?
You and basic white girls
Pepsi.
everywhere are upset.
That's
Pepsi.
okay.
Oh, no, I've never been to Wiener Schnitzel.
Pepsi does so much good for the world. Like, they stop protests. They
God,
like
that
create
commercial.
world peace.
No, you're gonna have to cut in that commercial, right?
Obviously. It
Like
really,
right
like,
now.
they're doing the most. Should I double check that that's not all we got?
What?
They would have told us to leave, right?
If this
She
is
definitely also got a
$6, then like, are you kidding me? That would be the biggest. Like, where are we?
That's more from
Like,
the
are we at the?
airport or
Are we at like? Are we
Disneyland.
at like the Nobu drive-thru? Like, I have to cut in the Drake video right now.
Asking for a lot of cuts.
Yeah, are you editing this?
Yeah.
Now I respect your skill.
Nice.
Okay.
Here we go. Here we go.
Too much coffee and not enough food today. Fine, I'm fine.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Have a nice day. She just chuckled at us. I chuckled at us too.
Let's just pull over and we can eat.
It's some sort of sandwich.
Affordable.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Grilled cheese.
It's a grilled cheese.
It is
A fish fillet.
literally a plain hamburger.
With nothing on it? What?
It has like lettuce, tomato.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's also cut in half immediately. So there you go. Wow, the Thousand Island actually looked kind of interesting. I'm into that. The burger does not look. It's like it's been frozen for a while.
Seriously?
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
He loves it.
I love the Thousand Island. That's such a move.
It's really not bad. It's got a pickle on it.
I like that
Yeah.
for you.
You don't want to overpower the taste, but just a little ketchup
Well,
is
suddenly he's
really.
a connoisseur. Okay.
Okay, let's get one thing clear. I am a fast food connoisseur. That might not be a good thing, but I am that. Oh man, I like it. I do. I mean, look, it's a regular burger, right? But this secret sauce Thousand Island dressing is really working for me. I give it a 7.4, but I think we need to do second lunch. So let's go to.
Okay.
Do you actually like it?
I do. I don't like it
I
as
mean-
much as you, but
It's not like we're gonna go back and get it, but
yeah. But no,
Maybe.
it's really not bad. I'm gonna finish it. So.
Do you think it's
Funny.
always cut in half?
yeah, I do. By the way, that's a little extra service that you don't get. Maybe we do the drive-through pharmacy.
Oh my god.
Wait, that would be me. We will see you at
Fingers
McDonald's.
crossed for
Really
nuggets.
see. Let me tell you guys about. Okay.
We're almost at the Golden Arches.
That's what they call McDonald's in Westeros.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hey, I have a random request. Can I actually get what the person in front of me exactly what they ordered?
Okay.
That's it?
With barbecue sauce?
Yes.
Okay, next window.
Thank you.
Oh god, I looked at it, but I'm excited. Okay.
Oh, that means it's nuggets. Taco Bell's across the street. Do you think they have like rivalries or they play dodgeball against each other?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. ¿Cuántas horas? 20 nuggets, 15 nuggets, and a medium fry?
Yeah, thank you, I appreciate it. She read it back to us, so
It's been confirmed.
it's been confirmed.
The definition of careful what you wish for.
Pretty excited. I don't know, I just like feel like I'm gonna have to take a break from fast food for a while. This is always the worst part, the wait. Hey, what's going on? Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
That's a big fucking bag of nugs.
Orange Fanta. Just like I predicted at Wiener Schnitzel. So I feel like I secreted.
You manifested it?
Yeah, I manifested it.
Just like Asa manifested.
Nuggets. Wait, we actually, for real, we manifested that order. It was a combined manifestation.
Straight to the nugget gods.
It's me. There, I have an entire crown of chicken nuggets. It's Gina Linetti.
Good. Wow, that's like carbonated sugar.
Yeah, I think that's what we call soda in the States.
There's a park up here, football park.
There's a lot of drug deals going down in parks.
This park? Yeah.
Oh, okay. Should we get some drugs?
Hey, I'd like to get exactly what the guy in front of me ordered.
That's gonna be, how do you count?
All right, do you want
cocaines
some-
or ounces? What do you do with cocaines? Oh, cocaine.
Cocaines.
Give me 2 fingers of cocaine.
Is that what it is?
No, it's ounces.
Ounces. Oh my god, there's a lot of kids here.
You're reacting as though we're actually getting drugs. You're worried about children. Nuts!
The classic.
Oh, nice. Oh, babe. Never been more attracted to you.
The
Nuts!
4 McNugs.
I will take those.
2 10-piece.
That's for you.
That is.
Do you want barbecue? Or are you playing? You're playing?
I only used to eat nuggets when I was like 8 years old.
Wow.
They look better than I remember. I want nuggets.
Not bad.
Suddenly I feel so bad just listening to us crunch on food and just sitting in silence.
See, this is what people expect when we eat sweet food. This is my reaction when it's something I actually want.
Ah, the tang. How good the barbecue sauce was.
So is the middle still like chicken product?
Probably. Let's not think about that. Let's just think about what's in front of us. Not the best batch. It's still good. That's one of the good cool things about In-N-Out. Like, it's a known order. You can be like, can I have fries well done? And they make the most beautiful crispy fries. So golden
He wants it
and
for dinner.
delicious.
Hey, honestly, I'm at this point where I might want it out for dinner because I can eat it.
Nugs are complete.
Oh yeah. A good time was had.
And I can't wait for dinner.
Why am I still so fucking bright? Please take my light. Thank you. Okay, guys, so it is dinner time. Moth is dead.
I ate some of your Rice Krispies for breakfast today. Which, like,
Oh
isn't
My God.
Hey.
Yeah.
They're so good.
So we're gonna figure out where we're gonna go for dinner. Saying we do Jack in the Box and our backup is In-N-Out.
Ah, okay. Let's do
What does
it.
Jack in the Box even serve? I just know
Just
that scary
everything.
head.
You liked like a lot of stuff from there.
Wasn't bad.
You got a milkshake?
Oh, not down for that right now.
Well, you should put the car in drive.
That would help.
You're so salty.
I'm not salty. Just, I'm a soldier.
brink of-
It's not even that, like, I feel like especially nauseous. I just feel kind of like, bleh. Hey, I have kind of a random request. Is there any way I can get exactly what the person in front of me ordered? Cool, thank you. You know, when you do like the breathing thing, it like makes it feel more awkward.
Their windows down.
Still has their windows.
They definitely heard us.
I kind of get the sense this might not be a big order. I see one person in the car. Bum, 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 bum.
Oh my god, what if someone gets churros?
Chocolate overload cake. Think out the name. Chocolate
Chocolate overload.
overload cake.
Oh, like a load of like cum?
No. Oh my god.
What? You said overload. And I'm like,
was
blow
like-
your load?
Burly guy, older gentleman, glasses.
See the glasses?
Milkshake. I fucking bet you it's a goddamn milkshake. 100%.
Oh shit!
There's.
Fucking called it. Called it. Called it.
Hey, what's going on? Thank you.
Do you think it's the churro?
It is. I can smell it.
I
Only one.
manifested it. Guys, we've all manifested something today. Does this mean I believe in the secret now?
You know, it would be really depressing
What?
is if the only thing that it worked on was fast food orders.
You had a superpower, but it was just a manifest.
Honestly,
That's true.
Thank you. Dessert for dinner.
the entire car smells like Disneyland. Oh, she's...
Thick. Shall I? Definitely cookies and cream. Pretty good. I mean, I love it right now, but I might hate it later. That's really good. Fuck. I mean, it's good.
It's so thick.
I know, right? Spoon.
Suck, bitch, suck. Sorry.
Okay. Do you avoid dairy usually?
Yeah, she does. Churros.
Yeah, oh, they're like bite size.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit, and they have stuff in them.
What's in it?
Some sort of caramel. Hot caramel dinner.
Oh, it's coming out the back end. It's pooping.
Hot.
Caramel in the butt.
Nougat in the butt. Jack in the Box those fire shakes.
Well, guys, that was dinner.
Let's try In and Out.
Do you want to try it now?
Sure. why
Fuck
not?
it, yeah. Now we're on a sugar
We gotta
high.
go.
Thinking about all the times my parents were like, no more sugar, and I was like, why? I'm not being extra energized. What are you talking about? I'm fine. I'm a mature kid. I can eat all the sugar I want. And now I'm like,
Here you are
no, I
at
can't.
25 being like, I'm wigging out.
Los Angeles Pacific University. Online, affordable, Christian, kebab, fries.
We'll see you at In-N-Out.
Woohoo! I want Megan to get some food.
The line's really, really long.
We'll keep ourselves entertained.
Yeah, babe, do you have any more songs?
Here's a question. Comment below. What restaurants do you wish had drive-thru? There's a difference between drive-thru and like
Pickup?
curbside service, because like there's something about the drive-thru. It's magical. The anticipation is building. You can see it in front of you. Leave comments below. What restaurants do you wish had drive-thru? There's a drive-thru liquor store nearby.
Is there? Okay, I'm gonna turn this off because we're gonna be here for
Forever!
Mott's has just informed me that he has a song.
No, I just like I have that. It's not a Florence and the Machine song, but that's the cover that everybody knows. You got the love.
Uh-huh.
It's just stuck in my head.
Oh, you were just gonna sing that
Yeah.
song?
You got the
Just
love.
gonna...
You got the love.
I thought you were doing that what you've been doing before. You've been rewriting songs, but you wanted me to turn the camera on so you could sing for us.
Well, you asked if I had a song. That's what I had. So, I mean, there's like a really nice Marathi orthodontics right here. Early treatment so your teeth don't fall out. Surgical treatment in case you got punched in the face and your teeth are falling all out. Don't do that. Don't get punched.
I don't think people try and get
Make
punched.
love, not war. Come on. Bah. 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 We could also just reward ourselves and get what we want. We've technically done the 3 meals.
Should we do it? Show my window down. Is it happening? Is it happening? Is it happening? We kind of manifested this.
Yeah, we manifested that too. That's the theme.
Oh, that's so
And I'm gonna eat half of this because I literally feel
funny. So why'd you get a double-double?
because I know it's what I always order. I can't break. I can't break the Rienks.
You're gonna eat half of a double-double? Why can't you just get a regular burger?
Awesome. Appreciate it. Have a good night.
These bags feel the most durable. The smell, the most enticing. My excitement level, through the fucking roof. So it's pretty dark, and I also need to take my birth control. So we're gonna go home, eat this. Oh my gosh. Did I fuck up? I did. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, that's a perfect looking little burger.
I know, it's very cute.
This is the end. We're back at home. This is my burger. It's wrapped in lettuce, and I'm excited. What did you get?
Got double, animal style. Only way you're supposed to get it.
So, do you want to share your wrong burger?
My wrong order. Then my parents ordered for me because I didn't know the menu. It's a cheeseburger, I believe. We just...
Thanks for sticking with us. The highs, the lows, the cookies and cream, and the caramel-filled churros, and the key lime jelly donuts. There's some weird food out there.
Stay safe, kids. Okay, so should I turn the camera off so we can just eat this and be normal?
Nope, I got it.
Okay, goodbye.